All right, we're getting some breaking news with regards to the differing reports as the LG's office is putting it that have been circulating in the media, and a number of queries that have been made by the press with regards to the Lieutenant Governor's office issuing the following clarification now. It says that the LG alone is competent to approve the transfers and postings of bureaucrats. The LG's approval in consultation with Chief Minister CM's order to officers in violation of the Constitution. Now, this is what the clarification says, that wrote to CM clarifying his order at variance with Constitution. Service matters assigned to LG under powers delegated by the President. Ankit Tyagi is now joining us with more details. Ankit, this war between the LG and the Chief Minister just doesn't seem to end.
That's right. Now, salvo has been fired by the Lieutenant Governor on clarifying that all that he has done is under the Constitution and in the view of the law. In fact, the clarification that the Lieutenant Governor's office has sent, it says that in view of number of differing reports circulating in the media and a number of queries made by the press, the Lieutenant Governor's office has issued this communication in which they have said that the Lieutenant Governor has responded to each of the orders and communications and has clarified the constitutional and legal position to the Honorable Chief Minister. This all started when the Delhi Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi had overturned the appointment of, in fact, had refused to accept Anindya Majumdar's reinstatement by the Lieutenant Governor. Since then, this has been a game of cat and mouse between the Lieutenant Governor's office and the Chief Minister's office. Now, after the report says the Lieutenant Governor has in fact cancelled the appointment and has also for postings and transfers of employees, even of the Delhi Subordinate Services cadre. This has been sent by the Lieutenant Governor. In one of the paragraph, it clearly mentions, Maha, that the Lieutenant Governor has exclusive jurisdiction in his executive capacity to direct such orders. So the war is just continuing and it is hitting a new low by every hour.
And Ankit, who will sort this matter out? Because MOS Home Kiran Rijiju has just spoken to the media saying that the Home Ministry should not be dragged into this unnecessarily. The LG and the Chief Minister will sort it out themselves. But clearly, these two are not being able to sort out issues between themselves. The ego war continues. Who exactly can interfere and intervene in this matter?
Well, the ball is already in the President's court. Both the Lieutenant Governor and the Chief Minister met the President yesterday. It doesn't seem that, with the way and the distance that this relationship has come down, that there is any point. It's almost at the point of no return. The Lieutenant Governor and the Chief Minister of Delhi. It will take the President, I believe, to intervene and sort this matter out. As of now, the chances of both the parties sitting together and finding a middle route are absolutely negligible.
Ankit Tyagi, many thanks for getting us those details.